Hi everyone, this is Oguzhan and welcome back to another UiPath tutorial with me. Today I will be talking about how to get file extensions in UiPath. I will be showing you how to read files in folder and get their extension using path class in UiPath. For our tutorial, we will be trying to read all the files here and we will try to create the subfolders for each file extension under this UiPath files folder. So let's just get started. First of all, I need to read the main folder. So let me just define a variable for that main folder. On the right hand side, let me get it, and then I need to read all files inside that main folder, and for that let me just create the file list variable. On the right hand side I will put directory class and get files from main folder, and basically it will get all files from that main folder into the string array. So let me change this file list to the string array. Okay, array of t, which is string, and yeah, we are good to go. Then I will need for each to be able to iterate that list. So let me get for each here. Here I will type file list, and inside the body I will try to create that subfolder based on the file extension. So first I will need to get the file extension. On the left hand side, let me create file extension variable, and on the right hand side let me just use that path class. So I will type path get extension of what? Of this item. So yeah, and yeah, to string. Okay, so as you see, it's giving an error here. So we need to specify this item as a not object but string. Then the error is gone, as you see. So I get the file extension by using this path class. After that I will just create folder with that extension. Let me just get this activity, and I will give file extension a folder name. It is going to need the main folder, not only the file extension. Before that, maybe we can give main folder and backslash and file extension. So let's see if this thing is working or not, and after that, if it is working, we can put their files into that subfolders. So let's see. Okay, let me just run file. As you see, it just created all the file extensions subfolders here. After that one, we need to just move those files into the respective subfolders. So for that, we can use move file. So I am going to move this file. So for this, I am going to use this item from this place to that place, which is that one. So it will be moving from the main folder to that subfolder. Before continue with these steps, maybe we can check the folder if it is created before or not. So let me just come here and type path exist, which is this one. So I will change it to the folder. So this is the folder. If this folder is exist, let me just create a boolean variable here, is folder exist, and let me get if condition. If is folder exist, do not create that folder, and if not, on the right hand side create that folder. Okay, maybe on the left hand side we can put a log message and say folder is exist with extension, and we can add the extension here, and then we can move that file to that folder. So before running it, let me just clear these subfolders and let's run it. So as you see, it worked, and let's check them one by one. For the Word documents, they are under this one: JPEGs, PDFs, PowerPoints, TXT, and Excel file. So I think that will be all for today. Thank you for watching. Hopefully it will be helpful for you, and see you in next one. Bye for now.